Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Acura RDX engine air filter. This simple maintenance task is crucial for your vehicle's health, ensuring optimal engine performance and better fuel economy. You'll want to replace this filter every 15,000 to 30,000 miles, or at least once a year if you drive in dusty environments. For this job, you'll need a new air filter, an 8mm socket or a Phillips head screwdriver, and a flathead screwdriver for any clips. Now let's get started. First, open your Acura RDX's hood and secure it safely with the prop rod. Look for the large, black plastic air filter housing, usually situated on the passenger side of the engine compartment. You might need to remove an intake duct or a small panel to gain full access. These are often held by simple clips or push pins that can be gently pried with a flathead screwdriver. With the airbox housing exposed, you'll typically find 4 8mm bolts securing the cover. Loosen these bolts by turning them counterclockwise. They usually do not come completely out. Once loosened, lift the airbox cover to reveal the old filter. Carefully remove the old filter, observing its direction, and wipe away any leaves or dirt inside the housing. Now, place your new filter into the housing, making sure it fits snugly and flush. Almost done. Carefully lower the airbox cover back onto the housing, aligning it properly. Tighten the 4 8mm bolts by turning them clockwise until they are snug. Reattach any intake ducts or panels you removed, ensuring all clips and fasteners are securely in place. Double-check that everything is tight and secure before gently closing your hood. You've just completed an important maintenance task, saving money and helping your Acura RDX breathe easier.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.